Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying UEFI mode and game version. This prevents pointless tweaks. Reboot into firmware settings, press Del, F2, or the vendor key right after power on. Once there, make sure boot mode is set to UEFI rather than legacy. You should also confirm Windows is installed in UEFI. If not, do not enable Secure Boot yet. Finally, ensure Battlefield is fully updated and your saves are backed up so you can roll back if needed. Next, enable the Secure Boot keys so the OS and game launchers validate. Navigate to Secure Boot settings, select Install Default Secure Boot keys or enroll all factory defaults. If you see Custom mode, only use it if you plan to enroll keys yourself. Otherwise, choose Standard/Enabled. Once the keys are loaded, save and exit firmware. Make sure you remember whether you set Standard or Custom, because switching later can block unsigned drivers and cause boot issues if not handled correctly. Finally, boot back into Windows and confirm Secure Boot is active via System Information. Secure Boot state should read on. You may need to update or reinstall GPU and anti-cheat drivers that are signed for Secure Boot before the game will run. If Windows fails to boot, use the restore point or firmware to disable Secure Boot and revert keys. If Battlefield still errors, check the anti-cheat status and reinstall any unsigned drivers. That single driver often causes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.